What's good, guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. I want to show you exactly how to sell your beats through Instagram.
13 Beats.
So I've had powerful results using Instagram to promote beats, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. What you want to do is you want to get up your Instagram account, okay? You want to post a beat, and then you want to scroll down and you want to go to the actual beat that you want to promote, okay? Once you know what beat you want to promote, if you've hooked up your Instagram to your Facebook page, okay, and you turn the Instagram account into a business page, okay, you're gonna be allowed to run ads. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, either YouTube how to turn your Instagram page into a business account, or check out my YouTube channel for some other videos that I've got on there on how to do it. So once you've done that anyway, you'll get this little promote button right here. Okay, you get the promote again button, so tap that. Okay, and then it's going to ask you to select where you want to send people. Yeah, so the ad is going to come up on people's phones, and it's going to send them off of Instagram somewhere. But where do you want to send them? So that's where you type your website. Now some people prefer to send them to their profile. I don't. I want to take them away from Instagram to my website, where I can then capture their email address, where I can then get them to browse some of my beats, or just get them familiar with my brand. Okay, so it's going to ask you to enter in your website URL. I've got that already. I'm going to paste that in. Okay, if you've got a BeatStars account, just go to your BeatStars account, get the URL to the beat, and then post it in here. Okay, once you've done that, you want to go to Shop Now. Select Shop Now. Okay, again, Shop Now. Sometimes I've used Learn More, okay, but most of the time I get better results from using Shop Now. Okay, so go to next, and then once you've done that, okay, it's going to ask you to select the target audience. Now you can either go for automatic, which means Instagram's just going to send it to a whole bunch of random people and hope that they're into your stuff. I don't do that. Okay, I wouldn't advise you do that. You want to get real specific, because you're selling beats. Who are your target market? Your target market is obviously going to be rappers, right? Rappers or singers. Okay, depending on what kind of beat it is. If it's a trap beat and a hip hop beat, then you want to only target rappers, really. So you want to go to create your own. Okay, and then this is where it gets powerful. This is where Instagram platform and Facebook platforms are super duper powerful. So audience name, okay, you want to target, you want to think about who you want to target. So as I said earlier, rappers. Okay, so we're going to call our audience rappers. All right, that's all we want to target. Now you want to decide who you want to target and what location they are. So you can go for regional, or you can go for local in your local area. We don't want to go for local, we want to go for countries. Okay, personally, 90% of my beat sales come from USA, so I always do USA. I'll always do United States, and the second I do is United Kingdom. And then the third I do is Netherlands. I do Netherlands. If you've got a beat selling site already and you're selling beats, go onto your analytics and see exactly where your sales are coming from. Okay, and then type them countries into here. If you don't have any sales at the moment, I definitely recommend you doing Europe and United States. Okay, so once you've done that, click tick. And then you go to interest, and again, this is where it gets really powerful. So I've got suggested interests here. Now I'm giving you guys like the source right now. Like, I don't really give out this information because this is like powerful information, but like I'll share this with you guys because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help and support. So the interest section is where you type rappers. Okay, type rappers. But if you notice, nothing will come up, only the names of popular rappers, which we don't want. Okay, so if you type rap, okay, freestyle, type freestyle rap. Okay, that's a good one. Once you type freestyle rap, Instagram is going to show you some suggested interests that are related to freestyle rap. So now we can see rapping. So we're going to go ahead and select rapping, go ahead and select hip hop music, go ahead and select musician, and just look, singer-songwriter. Okay, these are going to be powerful interests and powerful markets that are going to be interested in your beats. So I usually suggest choosing around 10 to 15 different interests. Okay, that means that you're going to have a nice, good, broad market for people that are interested in your beats. At the top, Instagram will tell you that it's too broad, but believe me, it's not too broad, because the broader is the better. Okay, the broader is the better, I found in my experience. Okay, other people might tell you different, but I can only tell you from my experience. All right, so then once we've done that, you want to leave age, gender, from 18, okay, to 34. Again, the reason why I choose these ages is because the age range on my analytics website tells me that people are buying beats from age 18 up to about 35. So that's why I cut it off. To begin with, you know, you can leave it at whatever age you want. But for me, I leave it at 18 to 34, so you can go ahead and do the same. And I usually just choose males. I don't choose females, because most rappers are males, so obviously there's a few females, but I want to go with the majority, so I just do male. And then once you've done all of that, it's going to go over to the budget section. How much do you want to spend? Okay, you need to decide how much you want to spend. It's better to do 5 days. Okay, you want to test your beat, because you don't know if your beat is hot or whether it's good or whether it's worthy of being purchased. What I always recommend is do a test. Okay, do a test ad. Okay, this is your test ad, so select 3 days in the duration section, and in the budget section do five a day. If you're in your country, it's dollars, do dollars. If you're in euros, do euros. I'm in pounds, so I do pounds. £5 a day, so I spend £15 over 3 days. And if I get 2 sales, if I get more than 2 sales, then I'll scale it up and I'll double that to 30, okay, over 3 days, and then I double that to 45, and then I keep adding 15. If I don't get any sales from it, I kill the ad, I delete it, and I go for a next ad. I do another beat. You're looking for a winning beat, a winning ad. Okay, that's what you want. So once you've done that, go to next, and you literally hit create promotion. Okay, hit promotion, sign up your PayPal account, and your ad will go out within the next half an hour. Okay, that's literally how you do it. Keep it simple, dead simple. All right, Instagram is a powerful platform. Just let it do what it needs to do. As I said, don't spend more than necessary on an ad that isn't working. Some of the key things that you want to look for is sales, and some of the key things you want to look for is likes. If you're getting a huge amount of likes and comments, then it means that maybe your beat is maybe overpriced. Try lower the price a little bit on the website. If you're not getting any likes and comments, then maybe something to do with your beat video that you've got. Okay, and again, if you're not getting any sales, then really you want sales. If I'm not getting any sales from a beat video and a beat ad, I kill it and I go on to a next beat. I don't really, stay there too long. There's no point. So give that a try, guys. If you like this video and you got value from it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I give away every week on every Fridays on my YouTube channel and Instagram. I'm gonna start giving away a deluxe bundle packs. That's my vocal preset packs, my courses on my website, all for free to one lucky person. Okay, so stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, make sure you subscribe so you can catch out and find out about the competition, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.